Hey party people, good evening to all of you. Buonasera, bonjour, bonsoir, bon après-midi, existe tout. On se revoit ce soir avec Full Fire. Un spécial rétro pour vous ce soir. Yes, big up à nos présidents Nigel, big up Balcha, big up Ali, big up Ludovic, big up Kavita. Hey people, je le fais commencer là. Non, que ce. Et sans oublier, bonne famille qui peut guetter nous de l'île Maurice. Bon compte, ça fait là bien hard, ça fait là bien grave. Stay safe, prends-y de soin et garde de distance. Hey, sans oublier, pas oublier de like and share. Et commente aussi. Ibiza. Et ce soir c'est parti, 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 parti. Est-ce qu'ils te rappellent ça, tune la famille? Et un très bonsoir à vous tous, Ludovic, Yash, Ishika, Evita, hey, Covid pétain sa vite là, yes, bring my baby party people, yes. Et sans oublier, un big up à vous tous, Radio Mauricien. Est-ce qu'ils se rappellent ça là? Ou pas? Ou pas? Ou pas? Hey, and big up à Elsa, Léa, Valcha, Simi, Kissan et Chica. Big up à vous tous. Hey Nel, big up à toi from Melon. Et nous pour l'ISO dit l'année 80-90.
DJ Hector en exclusivité.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 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 성숙해 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 나는 선호해 점잖아 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 선호해 때가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선호해 근육보다 사상이 우선 볼 거야
Écoute, c'est Jason Rivas.
Yes, écoute la vibe. Et un big up à vous tous en soi. Hey, 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 hey. Yes. Un big up à vous tous encore. J'ai nous qui des bons coups de ce soir. Bonsoir à toi Bernard, Léa, bonsoir. Nel, bonsoir. Ici, comment mon capable pour eux qui s'en a payé de nous. Et Dieu nous qui je peux faire. Yes, qui channel big up à eux de Catania. Yes, Asma, big up à toi. Rima, big up encore. Feroza, bonsoir. Hey, nous pas aller comme ça même. Si vous êtes pas content, faites connaître. Et si vous êtes content, commettez. Il spread chicken, noir des familles, spread chicken. Et est-ce qu'ils te connaissent? Est-ce qu'ils te rappellent ça? Et sans oublier, si vous avez fait les affaires là, pas oublier like and share. Full fire ce soir. C'est The G Brothers. Aujourd'hui, c'est moi, Ashley J avec Zut. Hey, spread chicken dans les familles. Chicken, 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 chicken. Allez, spread chicken. Mon vidéo chicken partout.
Say, I know what I
Corona, Léa. Yes, tac, vous êtes bon camarade, et moi, je côté d'été. Et Radio Mauricien. Mettez the ticket. Il spread the ticket. Et c'est Enrique Martin pour votre famille.
Pasito para atrás, 1, 2, 3, un pasito para adelante, María, 1, 2, 3, un pasito para atrás, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Nil, nous nazis tous ce soir. Nous nazis années 90, nous nazis tous. Ça c'est pour venir, stay tuned.
1, 2, 3, un pasito para atrás.
Il y a tout ça là. Un chiquea. Et un big up à l'homme qu'on appelle Zahoul. Et mon technicien Zodi qui est avec moi ce soir. C'est pas un qui nous pas connaît, mais c'est un monsieur qui nous connaît. The one and only Maniche. C'est lui-même technicien ce soir. Un big up à Maniche et Zahoul. Si vous remettez autres, ce soir pour l'autre sa nana, et l'autre level sa famille. Hey famille, banane fait communiquer avec moi. Je peux écouter tout seul. Nous conseillons les autres mettre les autres earphones. Je peux donner un better sound. Et je peux faire les affaires là au fond. Hey, réplique ton encouragement. Ce soir. Les affaires là posent comme ça même. Hey. Est-ce qu'ils te rappellent The Band Zenes? The Band l'époque que tu peux faire ravage. Je dans l'époque de Chipeti a dit fait le coltard.
Los besos de tus labios y sentir junto a ti la melodía de tu voz. Na, 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 na.
Hey, vous autres les pieds, sauf de Sali. And big up à nous, big up à Léa encore, big up à Maman Indiren et Radio Maurice Pézalila. Sourire famille, mauvais 4 d'autres fans commettent parce qu'ils m'ont été concentrés pour faire le plus de vagues. C'est ça, ben assisé, ben abousé, ben adoré. Les pieds bien fait à Fabiano, famille. Si t'as où danser. Et les pieds bien fait à Rosette comme à Fabiano. Ils ont oublié les radios mauriciennes. Est-ce que je peux rappeler de jeunesse pour mettre ça à l'époque là qui pas quand je peux faire. Moi ça à l'époque là, on a bâti puis on peut balancer ce jeunesse. Big up à DJ Ali, Rina, big up à toi. On peut boire beaucoup de glace de glace, pas de grande famille, j'ai pas gagné du risque de glace. À cause de les bois de glace. Hey, sorry de regarder du comète. Chanana Zutkodli, c'est Alana. Hey, je suis from London. Bonsoir, Lovina. Merci, Rina. Les cassés dans l'hôpital. Big up à toi, nous. Yes, see me. I'm always on fire. Qui can vous capable de time du feu à porte ton pied. Hey, avec les G-Brothers, je vous existe tout. Moi avec Manish, nous là pour donner la vibe. Nous là pour faire autres films, affaires là. Hey Yasha, qui fait toi au gars Rochi Brother? Est-ce qu'il fait son écoute ce soir? Merci Chanaden de Barry, big up à vous. Yes, c'est qui pas fait fils à faire l'attaque de camarades, j'ai autres fils à faire là. Hey Nela, no pan forget toi. Because Mokunet is the one and only band. No, N band. Biggest fan. So Mokunet est toujours là. Yes, American. As the vibe, big up à toi, brother. Et sans oublier, on prend l'occasion pour dire que les 13, moi avec Manish, le G-Brothers, pour fêter l'indépendance. Hey Léa, si tu es dans là-haut, tu as quand même un bout la ligne pour moi, ou un bout d'étoile, vu que tu as bégué tout des morceaux. Yes, I, big up à toi, Rohan. Big up à Lovina aussi, from Erlon. Asma, un nouvel Chasili. Ça n'a rien peu plus zen li, mais c'est mon plus connu. Ce soir c'est la vibe. Les familles sont oubliées. Stay safe, c'est toutes les familles mauriciennes.
From Cotton Eye Joe. If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Like, share, comment.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Hey, famille, laisse-moi te dire des affaires. EDMC, électronique, dance, musique.
Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Cotton Eye Joe.
Yes, ça fait dans so.
Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Big up à toi, Adi. Yes, maman, ni si j'ai pas oublié ces affaires-là. Tu es capable de danser, là. Personne va montrer ça. Yes, Simi. Tu es allé me tip-top danser. Hey. Jump. Hey, party people, big up à vous les radios mauriciens. Big up à la signorita Anita Bundon from Brighton.
As long as you call me time and again, feel the presence of the aura. Oh man, not to compare. Always the one for a chance to touch your hand or a moment to share. Can't deny the urge that makes them want to lose themselves to the
Hey, I'm here to make everyone happy. DJ Mimi and big up à toi. Big up Sandrine, big up Adi. Et big up Anju. Yes. Si vous pouvez apprécier ces affaires là, comment tag and feel the fire. Exactly. Kuma Lovinandia. No, Kuma Lovina, yes. Kuma Lovinandia. There you to Salah in an hard work. Playlist and everything. C'est une playlist qui m'a préparé. C'est pour faire les autres plus contents. Hey, maman quand on dit ce moment, je tout peux voir moi, qui problème là. Quand mon manager était Yes, oh, that you want, Nuena Asma. Besti tune.
Call it Mr. Raider, call it Mr. Wrong, call it insane. He say, I know what I want and I want it now. I want you, 'cause I'm Mr. Big. I know what I want and I want it now.
Hey, big up à nous. Big up Anju. Big up Tasnim. And Chunonko.
Love is a burning fire, stay. 'Cause then the flames grow high and fade. Don't let it steal your heart. It's easy.
On se jette même au bégaye friction avec sa man vibes là.
It can last forever. Why can't I live together? Try. Don't let it take your love from me. You're no good, can't you see, brother Louis? I'm in love, set to free. Oh, she's only looking to me. Only love breaks a heart, brother Louis. Only love's paradise. Oh, she's only looking to me. Brother Louis. Oh, she's only looking to me. Oh, like Louis, she's undercover. Brother Louis. Oh, don't want to do it. So leave it, Louis. 'Cause I don't love her.
Yes, Assis. Big up à toi, Sanish.
Stay, 'cause this boy wants to gamble. Stay.
Sorry, moi, je raté un ban commettre là, mais tout ban commettre, c'est qui pas visé. Moi, je connais qui me faire, je peux abruti. Il arrive là pour me quitter live, je peux aller Radio Maurice, tout capable. Shut the live, please.
Go on pretending that his love is never ending, babe. Don't let it steal your love from me.
Thanks to you, brother.
You're no good, can't you see, brother Louis?
Yes, comment nous devons dire, all is good.
Free, oh, she's
Comment nous dire de vieux carayen en bon là, ce Sami.
Louis. Only love's paradise.
Yes, Romy from Catania.
Oh, she's only looking to me. Oh, like Louis, she's undercover. Brother Louis. Oh, do what it's doing. So leave it, Louis. 'Cause I don't love her. 'Cause I don't love her. 'Cause I don't love her.
Crazy about her daddy.
Hey, you're crazy about the DJ? Who is crazy about the DJ? Put your hands up, who is crazy about the DJ? Hey, big up à toi, little bro, Sanish.
She's crazy like a fool.
body people, stay tuned. We're gonna get you some big
Crazy
tune.
about her daddy.
Who's crazy about my daddy? My daddy is still fit and handsome.
She's crazy like a fool. She's crazy like a fool. Daddy, 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 daddy.
Hey, and shout out Sarawat family, and big shout out Sham, Sarawat et la famille from UK. Hey, c'est big tune famille. Ça aussi une big tune qui peut venir là. Est-ce qu'ils ont fait ça fait là? Est-ce qu'ils ont fait connaître une tune ça?
Looking back on all the time we spent together, you ought to know by now if you wanna be my lover, wanna be my lover, wanna be my lover, wanna be
My lover.
Go ahead and take your time, boy, you gotta feel secure. Before I make you mine, baby, you have to be sure you wanna be my lover, wanna be my lover, wanna be my lover. La da 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 da.
Hey, put your hands up famille, sous le mani. Le main on est, 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 le main on est. Hey, and shout out DJ Kevin, big up to you brother.
Let's get crazy.
La da 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 da.
Hey party people, who remember yo youth quand je disais né ça. Hey, what were you doing in your young age? Hey Ludovic, qui fait te presser, brother Ludovic. Les nazis tout, nous ne fait commencer là. Stay tuned pour gagner tout. Hey, where's my Bobby? Hey, Radio Maurice, des bonnes autres gosses H. Bobby était. Hey, where's my brother Azi? Aujourd'hui, nous fêtons Nika brother. Je t'ai invité pour manger Briani. Aujourd'hui, c'est Nika Azi. Hey, Neil, Free from Desire, ça aussi, nous, non?
Barbie, let's go party.
Hey Azi, where's your Bobby?
Barbie, let's go party.
show me signs and good examples. Stop telling people how to run their business. Take a trip to East and West, you'll find out you don't know anything. Everybody's getting tired of you. Sometimes we have to look and listen. You can even learn from me. Little knowledge is dangerous. It's my life. It's my life.
It's my life, family.
What you see is what you get.
Where's my life? Good to my life.
No more things I say that no more changes come. Once in life, stop forgiving me, stop bothering me, stop forgiving me, stop forcing me, stop fighting me, stop killing me, stop telling me, stop seeing me. It's my life. 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 It's my life.
Sorry famille, pour avoir gagné ton filet comète. Mais chill. Mon cri profond. Hey, party people, est-ce qu'ils êtes sérieux? Est-ce qu'ils êtes parés pour mettre la vibe? And all these bevini pour eux.
My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no power, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no fame, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. Want more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for, want more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for. From desire, mind and senses purified, freed from desire, mind and senses purified, freed from desire, mind and senses purified, freed from desire. Na 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 na
na. Hey, Shama from Loki. Yes, brother, don't see. Big up à toi, Anubuya. Thanks for sharing. Big up à Manish. Azisenika. Yes, Dorothy. Big up à vous.
My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no power, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no fame, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. Want more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for, more and more, people just want more and more freedom
Hey,
and
Raya,
love.
big up à toi from Australia. Et nous aussi nous fiers avec toi, brother. Big up, stay tuned sur Radio Mauricien.
Mind and senses purified, freed from desire. Mind and senses purified,
Yes, big up Arima, Bernard, Robin, Raya, Azie, Dorothy, Belcham. Yes, big up à vous, I'm fine, what about you?
I'm a scat man. I'm a scat
Everybody stutters one way or the other, so check out my message to you. As a matter of fact, I don't let nothing hold you back. If the scat man can do it, so can you. Everybody's saying that the scat man stutters but does and never stutter when he sings. But what you don't know, I'm gonna tell you right now that the stutter and the scat is the same thing. Yo, I'm the scat man. Where's the scat man? I'm the scat man.
Hey, where's the scat man?
Politician reason to apply to change the seasons if they could. The state of the condition insults my intuition, and it only makes me crazy and hard like wood. Everybody stutters one way or the other, so check out my message to you. As a matter of fact, don't let nothing hold you back. If the scat man can do it, brother, so can you. I'm the scat man.
Hey Azie, c'est à cause de Nika Zoti Brother que ça nous fait écouter ça man vibes là.
So check out my message to you. As a matter of fact, I don't let nothing hold you back. The scat man can do it, so can you. I hear you all ask about the meaning of scat while I'm the professor and all I
laisse toi pas oublier like, share, salut tout le monde, tag tes bons camarades, que je bina ici qui n'a vibe.
I'm the scat man. Where's the scat man?
Hey, another tunes, another vibes. More than talking. Copyright.
DJ.
Hey famille, sorry c'est un petit problème copyright. And we are back. Et pas oublier, re-like, re-share, re-comment. Hey, where are you for the people? Famille, retag, reshare, recommend. Hey, we are back.
Adamını beni orta yerinden çatlatıyor. Ağzında sakızı şişirip şişirip arsız arsız patlatıyor. Biz böyle mi gördük babamızdan, hele güne rezil olduk. Yeni adet gelmiş eski köye bak, dostlar mahvoldu. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püsküllü belam yakalarsam. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püsküllü belam yakalarsam. Takmış koluna elin adamını, beni orta yerinden çatlatıyor. Ağzında sakızı şişirip şişirip arsız arsız patlatıyor. Biz böyle mi gördük babamızdan, hele güne rezil olduk. Yeni adet gelmiş eski köye bak, dostlar mahvoldu. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püsküllü
Hey, pas oublier, like, share, comment, famille.
Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püsküllü belam yakalarsam. Ocağına düştüm yavrum, kucağına düştüm yavrum, sıcağına düştüm yavrum, el aman. Ocağına düştüm yavrum, kucağına düştüm yavrum, sıcağına düştüm yavrum, el aman. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püsküllü belam yakalarsam. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden Kaderim püsküllü belam. Yakalarsam seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran. Kaderim püsküllü belam. Yakalarsam.
Check me out now. Yo, check me out now. Let me hear you say. Yeah, put your hands in the air, everybody, come on. Where them dogs at? Hey yo, I'm immaculate, come through masculine. Wide body frame, E-Dub's the name. Whoa, in the field of rap, I'm superb, I'm fly. I should be in the sky with birds. I ride 20-inch rims when I lean, yo. Hey yo, them tins, I know I keep them clean though. Come through, storm the block like El Nino. Scoop up an Arabic chick before she close. She goes, those my people. Yeah, them broads from Puerto Rico, them keep. Yeah, watch how the elope 64. Black rag, black interior, ship on the float. Burn out, I do it for them kids that hop on the turnstile. The E going wild. Yo, like them white chicks on a DVD. Yeah, I'm worldwide, MTV and BET. Yeah. Whatever she said, then I'm mad. If this here rocks to y'all, then we mad. Whatever she said, then I'm mad. If this here rocks to y'all, then we mad.
Do I gotta go ape or go nutty? I leave your eye like a 99 Benz buggy. Puffy, prickly, get real ugly. Trust me, keep the phone if you feel lucky. Mug me, I ain't got nothing but 4 figures. Chopped in the coffee blender. My shots like squeegee men.
Hey famille, sorry pour sa première fois qui n'arrive qui copyright Facebook peut ban nous, peut-être nous pas besoin de jouer l'année 80-90. Mais nous continuons Mozoli, pas oublier like, share, tag de camarades.
Je m'appelle Adèle, voilà ma bosse. Je te donne du son, fait à ma sauce. Viens dans ma fête pour les sales gosses. Faut que ça chauffe dans mon thermos. DJ monte le son, c'est parti. Les filles surprisent en bikini. Viens bouge tes fesses, baby baby. J'aime quand tu brûles, tu m'as senti. J'aime quand tout le monde fait oh. Là quand c'est trop bon pour ta show. T'aimes quand ça te tue au micro. T'aimes quand je ne mâche pas mes mots. Vas-y danse sans faire de bobo. Vas-y fais mouiller ton maillot. J'aime quand tu danses sur le morceau. Quand tu t'amuses sur le tempo. Ça fait. Ça fume comme un cigare. Apporte-toi du champagne à boire. Vas-y, défonce-toi sur le comptoir. Sexy quand tu m'ensorcelles sur ma musique, quand tu m'interpelles. Il suffit d'une étincelle toute la nuit. J'aime quand tu me harcèles. Bouge-moi ton corps de gazelle. Je te fais fondre comme un caramel. C'est moi qui tire le ficelle sur ta peau sucrée au bout de miel. Ça fait.
Je l'ai dit. Hey, party people, me retrouver une remoche. On arrive là pour mettre la vibe. Tiens, autres Jolie. Tiens, autres Lac et Brésil. Tiens, autres Lungi. Mais on va boucher mon saut, moi. Hein. Et casser la vailla.
Your style, your clothes, your hair, your flair, woman, you look so sexy. The way you whine and way you dance and the way that you twist and turn your waist. Please me wanting, please me yearning, leave me feeling for a taste. Before the end of the night, tonight I wanna hold you so tight, so tight. You know I want you so much, so much, and I'm so tempted to die.
Yes, and big up Ayash, big up Atina, big up Winchester, big up Nandini, big up Elvina, big up Simi, big up Gita, big up Azi, big up Ali, big up Vanella. Les radios mauriciens, fait nous connaît. Qui se peut mettre des autres l'écho ce soir. Mon PD Manzout, and vodka Red Bull, and Prosecco, and vino, and wine, and whiskey, and gin, and salt, and long, and short. Hey, you attempt to touch me, just see, don't touch me. Hey, and there's a tune for me. Hey, and big up à toi Elsa. Qui devait boire Elsa un mojito la montre ou un mojito gitan. Hey, l'hôtel fermé. Nous battons ça dans la forêt, nous battons ça dans Carocan. Yes, le vina qui te fini, vous allez comprendre. Nelly Pédia Sporting Rosé, à nous qui te peut boire, toi, Nandini qui te peut boire, Valcha qui te peut boire.
Back to my room and roll without a horn.
Hey, your attention please.
Will the real Slim Shady please stand up?
Big up Solange, big up Elsa, Azipedia Room Red Bull, des mères Honeymoon Brother.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? She leads a lonely life. I repeat. She leads a lonely life. I repeat. I repeat. I repeat. I repeat. We're gonna have a problem here. She leads a lonely life. She leads a lonely life. Problem here.
Hey, un spécial dédicace à nos bonnes familles musulmanes qui là, big up à vous tous, vous êtes nombreux. On va vous faire nos mêmes foraines, mais vous êtes nombreux. Hey people, c'est true! Valshapé get nous from Turkey. Qui s'en a fait une belly dance pour moi. Nandini, Laushin, Ludovic, Simi, Lovina. Qui s'en a fait. Non, Zodi nous peine à Bollywood. Zodi c'est 600 même nous pour aller là. Maybe later nous prenons Punjabi. Yeah, we will come with some Mauritian vibes in a few.
DJ
Hey, this one, manabe moi. Rewind.
سيدي منصور يا بابا ونجيك نزور يا بابا يا بابا سلام عليك يا بابا الله الله يا بابا سلام عليك يا بابا سيدي منصور.
Hey, this one also. Just feel the vibe, buddy people. Hey famille, est-ce que je t'aime pas Républica? Rubina wine.
We're boogling queen, aye. I say we're boogling queen, aye. I say we're boogling queen. No girl can boogle like Birmingham girl. No girl can muggle like Wickham girl. No girl can trash like Brixton girl. No girl can muggle like Manchester girl. No girl don't sleep like Alice girl. Look fancy girl, they mean a Mackie rider.
Okay.
They wanna know. Comment il s'agit de Visa X. Mais pas pour une mal élevé, c'est sa famille. Pendant this vibes.
They wanna know who's that girl. Come on, come on. Who's that girl? Come on, who's that girl? What's my name, y'all? What's my name, y'all? Who's that girl?
Give me something nasty.
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy. Only like a highway. She's living in a world.
Hey, sorry famille, va avec Alias de tout mettre. Parce que le bisou tout mettre dans la vibe. Who is on fire here? Mettez G-Face, ils sont on fire.
Bring your booty, you have a nice beer. Y'all them a come from town and country. Make sure you're strong and fit and ready. To do booty shake you up, you have energy. And make sure you do it, I'm not a tip panty. Your body up,
The wax are on fire. It's on fire. Nandini on fire. Mettez G-Face famille. Gita is on fire. Priscilla is on fire. The two on fire. Qui sont on fire là? Allez G-Face. Who is on fire? Radio Mauricien. Est-ce qu'ils sont on fire dehors?
Some ya they got proceed with caution. Some ya they got proceed with caution. Some ya they got proceed with caution. Some ya la wine but don't have no bottom. They come in on the place and do the competition. And when time we come out, we come in on strong. Man a real big booty fan.
Hey, this one is a special dedicace to Nukuya, this is for you.
Just pull up to me bumper, come in a your long black limousine, and just bend me over. Pull up to me bumper.
Go on this up.
Hey, hey, and big up Arena.
Me I go drive up in the mountain. When me see the firm body there with the new shape, I go me a run the gas pedal race. Then me sing the clutch and start fling gear like a 10 forward inna the head. Yeah. Me not sport it, but me like it. I must see Lamborghini design it. So when you park it, make sure you recline the seat, comfortable like in a bed.
Just pull up to me bumper, pull up to me bumper. Come in your long black limousine and just bend me over. Pull up to me bumper, pop out your key and show me thing.
When you pull up to your bumper, pull up to your bumper, 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 bumper,
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time. Let's go.
Hey, party people. Pas party animal. C'est party animal. Hey, kiss, kiss.